Hello students, this is class 6th English and this is the question paper of UT1 of English subject. UT1 which is of 25 marks. First question is, read the following passage carefully where 5 questions are there and each question contains 1 mark. This continues after that which is given there in the previous slide. This is also the continuity of the paragraph which is given in question number 1. Read it carefully. Now these are the questions. Question number 1. You need to write option and its answer also. Option and then answer. Answer number 1, option this and its answer this. Similarly in question number 2, write option and its answer. Do the same in all the questions. This is third, fourth, fifth, and this is question number 2. Analyze the picture carefully and describe it in a paragraph. Look at the picture carefully. This is of 5 marks. So you will have to write at least 10 sentences. At the most you can describe in 80 words. But at least there must be 10 sentences because this is of 5 marks. This is question number 3. Rearrange the following group of words or phrases to make meaningful sentences. Read it. Question number 4. Underline the nouns in the following sentences and write their kinds also. Here 2 or 3 nouns are there in each sentence, but you may underline any one of the nouns which are given in single sentence. Just one noun and write its kind. This is question number 5. Fill in the blanks correctly using the singular or plural forms of the words given in brackets. Each sentence is of 0.5 marks. So read them and write carefully. Next question, fill in the blanks with the suitable adjectives. Here also each blank contains 0.5 marks. Next, answer the following questions. Each question contains 1 mark, so you need to write the complete answer, means the complete sentence. Don't answer in one word here. Attempt all the questions, please. This is question number 8. Write the meanings of the following words. Each word contains 0.5 marks. Need not to frame sentences, just write their meanings. Kindly recheck your answers and then click the photograph of your answers where you have written it, the paper. Click that photograph and then mail it to me on the email ID which has been provided to you. Thank you.